Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I am excited to share the contents of my June 2024 card kit with you. We always do our Christmas card kit in June because it's right before Christmas in July, and this gives you lots and lots of time to get your projects made. This year we are working with Ciao Bella's gorgeous Dear Santa collection. I love this collection. You're going to get the 6x6 fussy cut pad, 24 sheets of 6x6 cardstock. So one side of these is fussy cuts, the other side is gorgeous patterned paper. And that's why I love this pad. I tend to use the patterned papers a lot more than I do the fussy cuts, although we probably will use a few of these. So 24 sheets of that. Then you're going to get the A4 Creative Pad, which is 9 sheets of double-sided paper. And this is where all of our really wonderful cut-aparts and images, although there's gorgeous patterns in here too. But this is a wonderful, wonderful pad, and I love adding these to my card kits because there's just so much variety. This is a great vintage Christmas collection, and it's classic. It will never age out. It will never be out of style because it's just so beautiful. So there's the A4 pad, and then you're also going to get 8 sheets of the 12 by 12 patterns. And this has all the beautiful patterned papers. I love the blues. I love the little houses. There's some great images in here. But mostly I got this for the patterned papers because it's so nice to have that when you're making cards. But you can see as I'm showing you this, these are just classic Christmas patterns and something that we're going to have a lot of fun with. All right, so that's the designer papers. What else do you get? Like, this is a lot already. But you're also going to get cardstock to work with. You're going to get 5 sheets of these red cardstocks in different shades of red, which is perfect for Christmas. You're going to get 5 12 by 12 sheets of blue because this collection has so much red and blue. And then you're going to get 10 sheets of white. That's the cardstock. You're also going to get 2 5 by 7 shaker envelopes. These are always popular. Everyone loves making them. And this adorable shaker mix to fill them. We have 10 yards of red and white baker's twine and some pretty Christmas buttons, 6 of them. These will be mix and match. Everyone's will be slightly different. I also designed 2 sheets of Christmas stamps, and these are my own personal design. So beautiful sentiments, beautiful images, and these just help take this card kit to the next level. I love these, and they're vintage and classic, so they work perfectly with the collection. And then here's the thing I'm most excited about. This is brand new to our card kits. I have designed a gift card wallet die, and you will receive this die in your kit. I'm super excited about this. I've wanted to design something like this for quite a long time, and first COVID got in the way, and then we finally got it back on track, and this is a terrific die. This is what it looks like all finished and decorated. I've used a different paper collection to make a sample here for you to see. We do a little pocket on the inside to hold your gift card. You can add a little note or a photo up here. So it's just great, and you can use it for more than Christmas. It's great all year round. Here it is with just a regular all occasion paper collection. You can do it masculine. You can go very simple and black. But we're going to use this not just as a gift card. I have so many ideas in my head for using this wonderful die. We're going to make some fun stuff with it. And we're going to start using it in this card kit. I'm very, very excited about it. You will also get links to private video tutorials with me. You can watch these over and over again at your leisure, so you can learn how to make all the card bases and the folio and all the things. And then you also get a full color basic written guide, which gives you score lines, cut lines, measurements, and that sort of thing, and detail photos so you can study those. So it's a wonderful, wonderful kit. Gives you plenty of time to get everything done before Christmas so you can have wonderful handmade gifts and cards to share with your friends and family. This is in stock. You can order it now at the Button Farm Club. I'll be back in a minute to show you what we're making.
Dashing through the snow with a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go.
All right, friends, so what are we making? This is a great kit. So many fun cards. We're going to start off by making a pair of shaker cards with these really easy window envelopes. You're going to learn how to make mitered corners, and then on the inside I'm going to show you how to make our little gift card wallets. Super cute way to present even a tea bag or just a little treat in there. So much fun to give, and it turns the card into a gift. So we have two of those. One of them is horizontal, the other is vertical. Both of them are beautiful. So that's how we get things started. Then I'm going to show you how to use that gift card die to make a really neat interactive element on a pair of cards. Also, you can double up the pocket on the inside. Here's room for a gift card, and here's room for a tag. So these are really fun as well. And we have a pair of those that we do. All the cards in this kit are very, very easy to make. I wanted to make sure that you had plenty of time to get everything done during the holidays, but easy to make doesn't mean boring. Like, look at this fun accordion fold card. Is that not cool? And it will stand for display, so it'll look great on a mantle or a bookshelf. Also, our little gift card tucked into a little tuck spot, and a really stylish belly band to hold everything together. And we make two of those, which is really fun. Here's the other one. I'll give you a sneaky peek. Isn't it fun? These are great to make, and you won't believe how easy they are. They're super fast. Then we made a pair of really adorable window pane cards with our rosettes, and you're also going to learn how to make the handmade rosettes. But look at this. Look what these do. These are pop-up cards. How fun is that? So there's a pair of these in the kit. Both of them really lovely. So pretty. These are so pretty set out as part of your Christmas display too, and they make a great little gift. Then we're going to make a couple of shaped easel cards. Instead of having a square back, we've got this dimensional shaped back. Also makes it very, very pretty. And on the inside, there's a pocket with a gift card holder. So another really lovely way to give a little gift. And here's the one with our cute Santa and his lantern. These are so fast, you won't even believe it. And then last but not least, we're going to make a really lovely 6x6 folio with a waterfall feature, room for a large photo, a pocket with tags, a little slash pocket with this beautiful Santa image inside, and this fun flip flap element page. So these make beautiful gifts for grandparents, parents, you know, family and friends that are far away, but you won't believe this goes together super fast. It's really easy. And then as a bonus this time around, you're going to have a whole bunch of scraps left over. So you can make duplicates of cards that you really liked. You've got enough in here to probably make another little folio, gift tags for your Christmas packages. It's a nice bundle of leftovers. So that is really fun. This kit is ready to roll at Button Farm Club. I'm sorry I was late this month. My husband had surgery, and then my daughter had a baby, and that was my month. So I got a late start, lots of interruptions, but we got it done. And here's this beautiful, beautiful kit that you are going to enjoy making this holiday season. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. Thank you so much for your support and your interest in these kits. And I hope you have a wonderful summer leading into fall, and then before we blink, it'll be Christmas, but you'll be all set. because you'll have your cards made. Go get your craft on. Bye.
Making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Day or two ago, thought I'd take a ride. Soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifty bank, and we got upset.